Good evening, everyone. My name is Sakshi Kumari. I am the student of BBA PPU second year batch. Today, I am here to give a presentation on the topic of marketing, which is given me by the Suji sir. So, first of all, I would be very thankful for him for giving me this opportunity. So, let's start the, the meaning of marketing. Marketing is basically the strategic process which helps the business to attract the potential customer toward their product or services. It includes entire process from the initial market research and uh, end with the final sales transaction. It means that marketing is start from doing the research of the market where it study about the demand of the consumers, and it end with the selling the goods and services as per their need and wants of the consumer. The next one is it is also responsible for the customer relationship management of a company. It means marketing helps the businesses to create a strong relationship between the company and the consumer. The next is the goal of marketing strategy is to create demand for a company product and create brand awareness. Yes, marketing helps to create the demand for the product to in the market, and also helps to create awareness about the brand image of that company. Now let's talk about the importance of marketing. First importance, promotion of product or services. Promoting the product is one of the main objective of any business entity. Our first importance of marketing is promotion of product or services. Promoting the product in the market among the consumer is one of the main objective of any business entity. With the help of marketing, business promote its goods to a large audience by using various marketing techniques such as advertisement and all. The next one is build relationship. Marketing also helps to build a strong relationship between the company and its consumer by producing a good quality of products as per the need and demand of the consumer. Through marketing, business can also create a lower customer base. The next one is increase sales and revenue. Earning revenue is one of the main point for any business entity. But in today's world, if any business is just thinking about the selling the product without adopting any marketing strategy, then it is not just a good idea. In today's world, for earning a higher revenue and increasing sale, marketing is one of the best option for adopting it. The next one is enhance brand image. Marketing also helps the company to enhance their brand image by create a positive image in front of prospective customers. It means that by doing the increasing the sales, it create a positive image in the mind of each and every customers in the market. The next one is helps in competition. In today's world, there is a huge competition between the different types of business entity. With the help of marketing, any business entities in the market. With the help of marketing strategy, any business can keep a continuous survival and growth by using the various marketing techniques. Now let's talk about the differences between the sales and marketing. Sale refers to the transfer of goods and services from the seller to the buyer at a particular point of time, whereas marketing is the strategic process attracting the customer toward their product or services. Sale is product oriented, whereas the marketing is a customer oriented. It means that sales focus on the selling of product or services from the seller to the buyer. That's it. And marketing is a customer oriented. It means it focus on the customer desire, customer welfare, etc. The next difference is sale is a short-term process, whereas the marketing is a long-term process. It means that sale focus on the just selling of goods and services from the seller to the buyer, and it creates a short-term impact in the mind of any buyer. But marketing is just focus on the long-term impact in the mind of the consumers. The next one is sales work on push strategy, whereas marketing is a pull strategy. It means that sale just is simply the selling of goods and services throughout the customer, whereas marketing attract the potential customer towards their product, towards their brand image, etc. I hope you will understand what is marketing, importance of marketing, and what is the basic difference between the marketing and sales. That's all from my side. I hope you will understand. Thank you.